Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Our lesson today, inshallah, will be about everyday materials and their properties. Like you can see in these pictures, a lot of materials and a lot of types of materials in our life. Like the key here, metals, and the bridge here, metals, and here wood, here also minerals, here paper cartons from non-metals, and plastic from non-metals, also some other types from non-metals. Okay. Our objectives for today, inshallah, knowing the different properties of everyday materials. We will study some examples together and know the properties of each one and the uses of our life. Everyday materials and their properties, this is our introduction about it. Many different materials are used to make the clothes you wear and the buildings you live in. We make things out of materials with properties that we need for a particular purpose. Like here in these pictures, some types of glass. We can use glass of many uses. Okay, like lenses as the first one, glasses at windows, at glass. Okay, also here clothes came from fibers, clothes and shoes, okay, wallet, okay, a lot of things we can make from fibers. Also metals, we can make a lot of things like cars, keys, coins, and a lot of stuff inside our kitchens, okay. So this is the uses of some materials in our life. Is it clear for this introduction?
Yes, teacher, it's clear.
Anyone have
Yes.
any question? Anyone want to ask any question? Okay.
No.
Madaitham, you want to ask about something?
No.
Okay. The first one we will speak about is plastic. Okay. Plastic. We can see plastic at many types or many things at our home and outside. Come in many different types with different properties. Some plastics are flexible, have light weight and easy shape. Like you can see at this picture, a lot of types of plastic. We can reshape them as we like. Right or wrong?
Right.
Right. They are flexible and lightweight. Do you think plastic is heavy, Muhammad Haytham?
No.
No, it is very lightweight. So we can use it at a lot of things at our life. Abdul, are you here? The Qadir? Abdul Qadir have no voice, okay? Plastics come in many different types with different properties. Some plastics are flexible, lightweight, and easy shaped. Okay, the next one is fibers. As you can see at these pictures, the first one is the type of fibers, and the next one uses of fibers. We can use them at our clothes and a lot of stuff at our home. Fibers can be from two types. First one is natural. Natural means made from living materials, okay? That means come from animals or come from plants, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Cotton or silk. Also, fibers can be synthetic. Synthetic means come from artificial materials from chemical materials. Okay, we can make them at factories. Factories means they are artificial materials. Synthetic made from other chemicals. Okay, fibers are the threads, so they are tiny threads, so they can be strong and bendy. Okay,
Yes.
here they are tiny, means very small. They are tiny threads, so they can be strong and bendy. Okay, Muhammad Haytham, if I asked you, how many types of fibers?
Fibers.
Yes, how many types of fibers?
ما فهمتش يعني fibers. Me teacher.
Okay,
Can I answer?
you can answer, Ahmed.
أحمد سالم me teacher.
Yes.
استنى محمود أنا.
Me.
2 types.
Okay, Ahmed, wait, Ahmed. Mahmoud, you want to answer?
Yes,
Answer,
Yes.
Ahmed, okay.
we have 2 types,
What are they?
and the natural and the fibers.
Synthetic.
Yes, synthetic.
Okay, thank you, Mahmoud. Ahmed, you can explain what are natural?
Natural, that is made from natural thing or from living thing
Very good, Ahmed.
like
Excellent.
cotton and silk.
Thank you, Ahmed. Bayan, you can say what are synthetic?
Yeah, they are made from chemicals.
They are made from chemicals. Very good. Lana,
Oh.
what are fibers?
Fibers are natural materials.
Yes. Thank you so much, Mahmoud Al-Riyami. What do you know about fibers?
Fibers are tiny threads,
Very good, excellent. Tiny threads. So,
and they are strong and bendy.
very good, Mahmoud. Thank you so much. They can be natural, made from living materials, cotton or silk, okay, or synthetic, made from other chemicals. Okay. Fibers also are tiny threads, so they can be strong and bendy. The next one we are going to speak about is ceramics. I think all of us have ceramics at our homes, right?
Right.
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
On our floors or kitchens or bathrooms. Okay. All of these stuff are made of ceramics. Okay.
Ceramic.
What?
Yes.
Yes, Mahmoud.
Ceramics.
Ceramics, yes. Ceramics can withstand high temperature. What is the meaning of withstand high temperature? Anyone want to answer?
It means that it can handle high temperature.
Very good. Thank you, Thraya. Thank you so much. Who else? It can withstand high temperature means it can undergo high temperature. In Arabic تستطيع أن تتحمل درجات الحرارة العالية. Okay, عندك قدرة على تحمل درجات الحرارة العالية. Can withstand high temperature. They also hard, brittle. Can you say how they are hard and brittle at the same time? Mahmoud Al-Riyami.
Strong.
They strong. Brittle, how they are brittle? Bayan.
I don't know.
Me teacher, me teacher.
Lana, okay.
No.
Lana.
That means that they are strong or hard, but if you throw them, they will get into tiny pieces.
Very good. Thank you so much. Can you repeat your answer again?
That means that they are hard or strong, but if we throw them, they will get into tiny pieces.
Okay, thank you so much. They are hard when we are using them on the floor by sticking them by using some materials like cement, okay? But if we put them alone without any other material, it can be brittle and broke easy, okay? Like your glasses at the kitchen. This is stuff at kitchen can broke easy, right? Right? Yes. This stuff at your kitchen can broke easy. But here, this one is strong. And this one at your ground is strong, okay? The floor and the kitchen, like this stuff, are strong. But the other stuff for eating or for food, they are brittle, okay?
Yes. They can be broke easily.
Yes, they can be broke easily, okay? They are very strong. They are used for floor tiles and outside of the space shuttle, okay? Let us think about two of these materials, glass and plastic. How do their properties help us to choose which one we should use to make an object? Glass is used in windows, okay?
Yes.
And bottles and jars for food and drinks, glasses to drink from, beakers and other science equipments. Plastics may be used for drinking cups, bowls for washing in, bottles and jars for food and for drink, hose pipes, window frames, and many other uses. Here, as you can see in these pictures, glass can be transparent or translucent. Can you tell me what is the difference between transparent and translucent? Who knows? We studied it at grade 5. Do you remember?
I don't
Transparent and
remember.
translucent.
Teacher, I know transparent only.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
That means you can see through it.
Very good. Excellent, Ahmed. Excellent. Who know what is translucent?
Me teacher.
Okay, say it.
That they are colored.
They are colored. Very good. And also you cannot see through them. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, they are transparent and translucent. Transparent like the second class. Okay, let me point at it. Okay, this one is transparent. Okay, means light can pass through them very easy, and also means you can throw anything behind it. Translucent, the second picture, translucent like this one. Here you cannot see through them. Also you can say the light cannot pass through them. Again, the meaning of transparent and translucent. Transparent, like the first picture here, is materials which allow light to pass through and you can see through them easy. Translucent are materials which doesn't allow light to pass through and you cannot see through them easy. Is that clear now?
Yes, teacher.
Yes,
Yes,
teacher.
teacher.
Okay. Number 3, glass are waterproof. Okay, glass is waterproof. What is the meaning of waterproof?
Me teacher.
Me teacher. Me teacher.
You say?
ضد الماء.
Okay, thank you. ما يتفاعل مع ما. Okay, very good. محمود.
Yes. ضد الماء يعني.
Okay, thank you محمود.
When the water
I know in English.
in English.
Okay,
Do
Ahmed.
I say it in English, teacher?
Say in English, yes.
That they cannot go. It cannot go through on it.
Okay, Mahmoud, thank you.
So water cannot go through.
Ahmed Salim.
It does not react with the food or drink inside the jar or bottle.
Okay, Ahmed, thank you so much. Or the glass didn't react with water or food. Okay. أي شيء يوضع داخل الزجاج ما يتفاعل معاه، داخل جلاس الزجاج ما يتفاعل معه. اوكي، لذلك هو يعتبر آمن وشيء إنه يستخدم صحيا ممتاز. اوكي. Glass can be transparent, translucent, and waterproof. Waterproof means it cannot react with food. Also, glass is cheap. Okay. If you want to buy glass, you didn't have to pay a lot of money, right? Right or wrong?
Yes, right. Yes.
Most of glass are very cheap, except some types like crystals. Crystals glass are expensive more than ordinary glass. Okay.
Yes.
Glass also easy to recycle. I can reuse it again. Okay. Again and again, too many times. After the glass is broken, I can send it to factories to recycle them and made glass types from them again, or glass stuff from them again. Okay. But there is some disadvantages. Okay. We were speaking about advantage. Now we are going to speak about disadvantage. Disadvantage, Muhammad Haytham, do you know what is the meaning?
No.
Yasser, how are you? Are you here? Welcome, Yasser. Yasser, are you fasting? لن أكلم اليوم إنسيا. Okay.
Fine, teacher.
ياسر، كيف حالك يا ياسر؟
طيبين الشهر الحمد لله.
أخبارك يا ياسر؟
طيبين الشهر.
Do you know what is the meaning of disadvantage?
Disadvantage?
Yes. Okay, it's okay, Yasser. You can listen to us. It's okay. Okay, we are going to continue speaking about glass. Okay, and I said before, glass can be transparent or translucent, and it has waterproof properties. Okay. So these properties means it cannot react with food or water. Also, it's cheap. Okay, except one type of them, crystal glass, are more expensive than the ordinary glass. Okay, it's also easy to recycle. I can recycle and reuse them again. Okay.
Okay.
But there is some disadvantage. Okay, this disadvantage means the bad things with glass. Okay, العيوب. What are these disadvantages?
Me teacher, can I answer?
Yes, Mahmoud, answer.
The glass is heavy and they can break easy.
Yeah, very good, Mahmoud. Thank you. It is heavy and it can break easy, but we can use them at a lot of things in our life, like you can see in these pictures. You have any question at this previous part?
No.
Girls and boys, you have
No,
any
teacher.
question? Okay.
No, teacher.
No, teacher.
Okay. The last one will be about plastic. As you can see in these pictures, a lot of types or a lot of things we can use plastic inside them. Plastic also can be like glass, transparent or translucent. Can you see what is transparent, Muhammad Haytham? Okay, transparent, Lana.
That means that we can see them. We can see through them.
Okay, very good. Bayan, translucent.
We can see through them.
Okay, thank you. Muhammad al-Raqishi, another meaning of transparent.
It can go through, maybe.
What again, Muhammad?
It can go through the light. It can go through
Can go through
the glass. Yeah.
the light. You mean the light?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, the light can pass through them very easy. Translucent, who want to answer?
Me, teacher.
Mahmoud, Ali Tariq,
Me, teacher.
do you want to answer?
Yes,
Okay, Lana,
teacher.
answer.
That means they are colored and we can see through them.
Very good, Al-Karat. We cannot be very good. Thank you so much. And also, the light cannot pass through them. Okay?
Yes.
Also, plastic can used at food containers because it doesn't react with food. Okay?
Okay.
Here I am speaking about some types of plastic. Okay? Because there is some types of plastic, the recycled plastic, we cannot use them at food containers, okay? We should use clear plastic like you can see in this picture, okay? Like foam for food, styrofoam, okay? This can use for food container at restaurants. Also, the plastic is light in weight, can be colored brightly. It's colored as you can see in these pictures. The colors can be brightly. Number 5, it can be recycled again and again. We can use them again. But there are some disadvantages. Okay, these disadvantages. The first one, it takes a very long time to break down. Okay, البلاستيك يحتاج وقت كبير جدا حتى يتحلل. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Very good. لذلك انت تشوفه في كارفور واللولو بيستخدموا الاكياس اللي هي صديقه للبيئه. تشوف دائما اعلان في كارفور وفي اللولو استخدام الاكياس والشنط الصديقه للبيئه. صح؟
صح.
Okay. These bags friendly for environment. It takes a very the bags which are friendly to environment shouldn't take very long time to break down. Most of plastic take a very long time to break down. Okay. Also, it can be affected by heat. Okay. Most of plastic can be affected by heat. It means it can change in its shape. Do you have any question as the previous part?
No.
Teacher.
Do you have
No,
any question? No?
No.
No.
Okay, your homework, inshallah, for today, page 87 at textbook 1
Okay.
and 2 and 3. And at the end of our lesson today, thank you so much for listening and have a nice day, my dear students.